Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Step by Step English. This is our English learning journey, and today we are going to practice 100 daily use English sentences. These sentences are very simple, very common, and super useful for daily conversations. If you want to improve your spoken English step by step, you're in the right place. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to use them in your daily life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Step by Step English for daily English practice. Let's start learning. 1. I wake up early every day. 2. Today is my 4th day of practice. 3. I am trying to improve my English. 4. 4. Practice makes a person perfect. 5. I read English sentences daily. 6. She goes to school by bus. 7. He works in an office. 8. They are playing in the park. 9. We are learning together. 10. I drink water in the morning. 11. She cooks delicious food. 12. He is watching television. 13. I am writing in my notebook. 14. The sun rises in the east. 15. The sky looks beautiful today. 16. I feel happy today. 17. She is my best friend. 18. He is very kind. 19. We should speak politely. 20. Time is very valuable. 21. I respect my parents. 22. She 23. He plays cricket on Sundays. 24. We celebrate festivals together. 25. I like to read books. 26. She sings very well. 27. He drives carefully. 28. I am drinking tea now. 29. They are studying for exams. 30. 30. We are planning a trip. 31. I finished my homework. 32. She cleaned her room. 33. He completed the task. 34. I went to the market yesterday. 35. They visited their grandparents. 36. We watched a movie last night. 37. I bought some vegetables. 38. She prepared dinner. 39. He called his friend. 40. I learnt a new word today. 41. I will wake up early tomorrow. 42. She will join us soon. 43. He will complete the work. 44. We will travel next week. 45. I will practice English daily. 46. She will call you later. 47. He will help me. 48. They will arrive on time. 48. They will arrive on time. 49. We will succeed one day. 50. I will never give up. 51. Can you help me? 52. Where are you going? 53. What is your name? 54. How are you today? 55. Why are you late? 56. When will you come? 57. Who is your teacher? 58. Which book do you like? 59. Do you understand me? 60. Did you finish your work? 61. Please close the door. 62. Open the window. 63. Speak slowly, please. 64. Listen carefully. 65. Write your name here. 66. Sit down. 67. Stand up. 68. Wait for me. 69. Come here. 70. Go there. 71. I am feeling tired. 72. She is feeling excited. 73. He looks worried. 74. We are very busy. 75. They are ready now. 76. I need some rest. 77. She needs your support. 78. He needs help. 79. We need more time. 80. They need guidance. 81. I believe in myself. 82. She trusts her friend. 83. He respects his elders. 84. We love our country. 85. They enjoy their work. 86. I am improving day by day. 87. She is learning quickly. 88. He is speaking confidently. 89. We are making progress. 90. They are working hard. 91. Success comes with effort. 92. Hard work always pays off. 93. Never lose hope. 94. Stay positive. 95. Keep smiling. 96. Learn from your mistakes. 97. Believe in your dreams. 98. Focus on your goals. 99. Keep practicing daily. 100. I am proud of my progress.